Manufactured sand or M-sand is the current trend and is the prodigal child of construction. And pump plays a critical role in the process of production of M-sand. At TFT, we have been working extensively in the M-sand industry by serving our customers an array of different products that are highly efficient and have versatile functionality. We have studied, researched, and developed several products that will invariably help in the production of M-sand. Let's take a tour of our products. Used for feeding cyclones at the required flow and specific head, the ARH slurry pump is available in a wide range of sizes starting from 3x2, gradually moving towards 4x3, 6x4, 8x6 and up to 10x8. The manufacturing techniques adopted in these pumps helped us put together a product with proven performance and superior life. The wetted parts of ARH slurry pumps are made with high abrasion and corrosion resistance, high chromium alloys with a hardness of 550 to 600 BHN, which ensures better life because of their high wear and tear resistance property. Performance of slurry pump directly affects the feed of the cyclone, which in turn results in the quality of the M-sand product. Next up comes TFT submersible slurry pump, or what we call Blue Elephant. These pumps are widely popular in desilting and dewatering processes. TFT submersible slurry pumps aka TFT 611 discharges a head of up to 32 meters and a flow of up to 147 cubic meter per hour, operating at 15 horsepower. These pumps are designed with high chrome impellers that withstand the most demanding of conditions. TFT submersible pumps perform exceptionally well in desilting process, and another versatile yet efficient product that is used in the M-sand industry is hydrocyclone. Significance of the hydrocyclone can be understood when we find that the performance of the hydrocyclone directly impacts the quality of the M-sand output. Ranging from 250 mm through 325 mm, 400 mm, 500 mm and up to 600 mm, these products are used in filtering sand particles of required size from the finer dust particles. Our hydrocyclones are lined with high-grade imported polyurethane material which is superior in quality. The key advantages are high impact strength, high abrasion resistance, high cut resistance, bouncing character of the PU lining, 3 times more wear resistant than tungsten carbide. We just don't stop with sales. Our service engineers will be with you 24/7 for services like overhauling, testing and adjusting, spares replacing, and to make sure your pumps are working better and efficient. We care for you. We are the go-to pumping solution for our customers. Thinking pumps? Think TFT pumps. Need pumps? Call TFT pumps.